If you've renovated in the last 2 years, you might want to look away. If you're about to start, this can save you thousands. Last fall, I went to the Paris and London design show. This is where they showcase the trends for 2026. And here are some of the things that are going to be phasing out this year. Just a disclaimer, this is what I'm seeing that's kind of coming out to help you make timeless design choices as you're working on a renovation or a project this year. Everyone has their own opinion on design. Design is very subjective, and some things will resonate with you and some won't. Number one, all white, sterile minimalism. People are just over the maintenance of white furniture. They're over the cold aesthetic feel. They really want warmth and texture, and everyone's sort of craving that. And white is such a bold, sharp color in a room. So what's replacing the all white aesthetic? Neutral colors, soft beiges, oatmeal, deep blues, sage green. All of those warm colors are replacing the stark white aesthetic. People are looking to create lived-in eclectic spaces over Pinterest perfect rooms. Number two, matte black hardware and fixtures. This became the standard in every new build in 2024. Matte black is a very heavy feeling finish, especially against a white cabinet. It's a really sharp contrast. When you're moving towards natural earth tone colors and terracotta and beige, matte black is a very difficult finish to look great with those colors. So what's replacing it then? Modern brass finishes, antique nickel, brushed nickel, even polished nickel is making a huge comeback. Number three, open floor plan homes. Open concept floor plans have so many problems with them, probably too much for this video. The main issue with open floor plans is that every room is all in one space. And where things are trending is people want quiet spaces. They want dedicated living areas within their home. Space planning is huge when you're working on a new construction or renovating your home. Staying away from the open floor plan concept will set your home up for a timeless design. Number four is recessed can lighting. Now, I'm not saying recessed can lighting not to do it in your home, but we have seen it being scaled back and incorporating more intimate lighting, lamps, sconces, softer overhead lighting, chandeliers. The harshness of the can is what everyone is sort of trending away from and going more with a ambiance feel in the home. Definitely there are places for having some recessed cans, and we're finding that we're putting them in the task areas. So bathroom, kitchen, laundry rooms, those are great places to have some really good quality LED cans in the ceiling. We're trending away from having them in bedrooms, dining rooms, or if you're putting them in, just make sure you put them on a separate switch so then you can have your accent lighting versus your can lighting. And number five, we've done a lot, but traditional coastal design. Traditional coastal design is definitely phasing out. It's had its day, especially with us being here in Florida. We have seen an influx of clients saying to us that they don't want anything coastal. What I'm saying a traditional coastal is pale navy cabinets, nautical decor, heavy patterned stripes that are blue and green and really have that coastal feel to them. So with coastal design, you're typically using all white kitchens, white countertops, white floors, incorporating matte black hardware. That's also why I say the traditional coastal is sort of out and the new soft coastal is in. And this one, call it a bonus, but we've all seen this coming, matchy furniture. You definitely don't want to just go to a furniture store and pick the bed, the nightstands, the dresser, the chair, everything that goes within that collection. It's okay to source from different collections and put it together. Gives you that more curated look. Also helps your design become more timeless and it doesn't look like a furniture showroom. Now, if you have an all-white home, there are some things that you can do to help warm up your space. Painting your walls a different color, area rugs, switching out some pillows, adding some decor, paintings on the wall, art, plants. Those are things that you can really do to help warm up your space. If you're looking for doing a little bit more construction, and you can always change out your kitchen countertops. So that could be an instant way to definitely warm up your kitchen if you have an all-white kitchen. Also swapping out hardware. So if you have cabinet hardware that is matte black, you can easily swap that out for a brass or an antique nickel. Remember, small changes do create a big impact. You really want to focus on your space so it feels like you. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe. In the next video, I'll show you the 5 trends that are in for 2026. See you next time.